Hi, in this video I'll show you how to mix colors of Brushmarkers Pro on a palette with the use of blender and water brush. The colors that we are going to mix should be dripped onto a palette or any other waterproof surface. The first method of mixing uses blender. As you can see, we mix the colors together on a palette using a blender and apply the mixture onto the paper. That way you can obtain a very wide range of colors. I'm using here on the palette 3 primary colors, which are enough to obtain a wide range of colors without any problems. Of course, you can use more than just the primary colors, because Brushmarkers Pro are available in 60 shades. As you can see, we can also mix them together and thus obtain new colors. As I mentioned at the beginning, it is also possible to mix colors with the use of a water brush. Working with it is a lot like working with watercolor techniques. With the use of that method, we can also obtain a wide range of colors, and the brush filled with water allows us to cover a larger portion of paper at a time. The colors of Brushmarkers Pro are very saturated, but of course with the use of blender or water brush you can make them less intensive. That way you can create a new range of pastel colors. It's enough to take a smaller amount of ink with the blender or water brush. Down below in the description of this video, there are links to our social media and our website. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. See you in the next videos.